What's up, YouTube? This is Mr. Token here, giving you a little video. Yesterday I went to my locals. I traded a few cards there and bought some, and I entered the tournament. I'm just gonna show you the cards I got. That was new. I got a third Edie Crow. If you guys wanted this for trade, the cards that are for trade, I'm gonna tell you what cards are for trade after this. Well, at the last part of this video. I got another Force Roll, another Saber Slash, Grandmaster the Six Samurai, Rachel and Sheehan, Electronic Cell Phone Super Rare, and this was the card I got. This was the card I got from my tool pack, Rekindling Super Rare. Well, the card that is going to be for trade, well, it's going to be like these cards, and I'm trying to build 6 hands, so I'm not sure. But first, I'm going to complete my last one deck. Then I'm going to complete it. But first, it's going to be this card. It's probably not going to be for trade, Great Cherubin and Grandmaster, but these cards are going to be for trade. Well, not this one, since a guy in the tournament wanted it, but he haven't had trading cards with him, so I'm not sure about this card. But these cards are definitely up for trade. So if you guys want any of them, just comment or PM me. Thanks, guys, for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment. See you guys later. Bye.